China's international air travel has seen a significant uptick as Beijing modifies visa regulations, leading to a surge in both domestic and international journeys. Beijing's visa policy adjustments have catalyzed a notable rise in international air traffic to and from China, with figures surpassing 80% of the pre-pandemic benchmark. In April, this upswing mirrors China's strategic efforts to draw more global visitors and the increasing inclination of Chinese citizens to venture abroad in the post-COVID era. In April alone, approximately 5.1 million international air passenger voyages were recorded, as stated by Li Yong, a high-ranking official from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, during a press conference in Beijing. This marks the third consecutive month where international air passenger numbers have maintained above 80% of the levels seen before the pandemic. The aggregate count of air passenger voyages, encompassing both domestic and international flights, hit the 56 million mark. This signifies a year-on-year escalation of 10.6% and a 5.3% rise compared to the pre-COVID year of 2019, as per CAAC data. Since the latter part of the previous year, China has been implementing a series of policy initiatives aimed at boosting international tourism. Just this month, Beijing announced the introduction of visa-free access for international tour groups arriving by cruise ships, with visa-free privileges now extended to visitors from select European and Asian nations. Domestic travel enthusiasm within China is also on the rebound, as indicated by a Bloomberg Intelligence survey. A growing eagerness to spend is fueling an increase in both domestic and international excursions. The majority of key global destinations, particularly those in Southeast Asia, are experiencing a rise in visitors, and there's a burgeoning interest in European travel, as noted by analyst Tim Backus. This positive trend is mirrored in the April performance data of China's leading airlines. China Southern Airlines Co., the nation's foremost airline in terms of fleet size and passenger volume, reported in a stock exchange filing that its passenger traffic in April expanded by 19.8% compared to the previous year. International routes experienced a remarkable 143.8% growth in passenger traffic year-on-year. For China Eastern Airlines Corporation and Air China Limited, the growth rates for international passenger traffic in April were an impressive 338.56% and 228.9%, respectively. In a related development, Singapore is poised to introduce automated immigration lanes equipped with passport scanning, facial recognition, and iris recognition technology. This innovative system will enable all international travelers, including those visiting for the first time, to pass through immigration without the need for prior registration. According to a May 17 report by Bloomberg, Singapore could become the first nation globally to offer such seamless entry and exit processes for all foreign visitors, eliminating the need to present passports for immigration checks upon departure.